Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And in today's video, as you can see, I have another Fast and Furious car. This one is doesn't say the number. The year. It's a Dodge Charger, but I think it's a 67. It could be a 66 or 67. I don't know how to tell them apart. I haven't even tried to tell them apart. But this is from the manufacturer of DeAgostini. So it's one of those cheap brands, but the models are pretty good actually for the price, and I'm totally fine with it. Now, when it comes to where this car was in the movies, I'm not fully sure. I think it might have been in the first part of the 10th movie, um, where somewhere in the start of the movie where you can see little B driving. I think that was this car. Maybe not. It's been a while since I've watched the movie, so I don't remember fully. There are some movies like the new ones I've seen maybe up to two times, maybe. But the older ones I've seen way more times. But even those I'm mixing them up. So I should have like checked before doing this video probably, but I don't think it matters that much. So yeah, let's get it off the this. So that comes off very easily. Now the part that I don't like is these triangle screws. So if you know me, I have had struggle with these because I don't have the right tools, can't find the right tools, or don't have the time to get those specific tools, or there's other reasons why I'm not getting the triangle screwdriver to open them. So let me get through this, get the car off this base, and I'll be right back. So I was very lucky this time. Got the car off the base very easily, without major struggles. Uh, Not as usual, or the last times where I not almost, I actually had to break apart one of the bases just to get the car off. So yeah, and here's the car itself. So you can see it has lensed parts for the headlights. The grille thing is a separate. Yeah, it is a separate piece. You can actually see it from the top right there. It doesn't look fully straight, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Well, I might have to off camera, of course. You can see those lights are more in than these are. So like I said, it is a cheaper company, so can't expect too much out of it. And the front wheels are not going to be good rollers either, by the looks of it. Or maybe the wheel, just the tire looks like it's slightly off the rim or something like that. Not fully sure what's going on. Needs some tire adjusting. Oops. And not fully sure what's wrong with that tire. Where it doesn't want to go back on the rim. Maybe I just need to completely remove it. And let's see. There's no chain. I'll just put it the other way on. Maybe that'll fix. Oh yeah, yes it did. Okay. Now it's messed up on the other side. Oh, why is it doing that? Let's have a look, see what's wrong with the tire. Yeah, there's a bit of a deformation going on here. These things sometimes do happen, sadly, and if you're a whiz in fixing these type of tires, good for you. If not, then you're gonna have this issue. I'm gonna be putting it the other way than back. I would prefer to not see that issue. Yeah. As long as it's not visible from the outside, I'm kind of fine with it. We also have the separate mirror for one side. There's your back. You got one big tail light, which looks awesome. There's the, I think that's the fuel cap. I might be wrong on that. No, I'm wrong. The fuel cap is here. That's just the symbol, as it's on the grill right there. The bumpers are separate pieces. We have some details for the base, as you can see. We have, oh, that's interesting. We have different thread tires on the back from the fronts. The back ones are a little bit dirty. They're like racing tires, by the looks of it on the back, and the front ones are like stock. That's an interesting. We have these like drag style rims also. What's it say on the license plate? I don't know if that's accurate to the movie. California. Maybe. These little middle lights, if somebody's wondering, those are reverse lights. Since it has this big one, so it can't really, there's no space for that, for the rears. Yeah, the details for the base is okay. It's plastic. The body is metal, die-cast, of course. Well, it does roll actually. With the, I did say that the front wheels are not going to be rollers. It's not an amazing roller, but it does roll still. And there are some details in the interior. You can see as much as I can show it at least. So yeah, overall, I think it's a win. Okay, this the hood, this piece is plastic on the hood, if somebody's wondering, just saying. Forgot to add that little detail. You can feel it, there's plastic. Hood scoop. So yeah, pretty cool, not bad for the price I got it for. It's totally worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.